Welcome to this episode of Home Tech Decisions. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about the Google Nest Video Doorbell and the Ring Video Doorbell, which you may have seen in previous episodes. I'm going to talk about the Google Nest Video Doorbell. This is what I have in my home, and we absolutely love it. We get the notification anytime someone is dropping off a package or the mailman comes, and our dog freaks out because he hears the chime or he hears the notifications going off. But we absolutely love it. We love the full view that we get of top to bottom, so we can actually see the bottom of our steps. So if they leave a package there, it doesn't get cut off. The time that we get on our phone of when the notifications come is instantaneous. That also kind of depends on the Wi-Fi or service of the installation that you have. We really love the design of this product. It's very sleek, very undiscerning. If you didn't know that it was there, you wouldn't know that it was there, which we absolutely love. So Brandon, what do you love about the Ring? Because that's what you have.
Yeah, so I have the Ring Pro Doorbell installed in our house. We have a new house that was built by Lennar, and that's kind of the doorbell that they include in their smart home package. So it's a great doorbell. It has the neighborhood notifications, which I think is pretty cool. We did buy the 1-year subscription, which I think is just like $3 a month, so we can see the recordings and stuff, and that's been pretty cool. I've actually added other Ring cameras just for testing, and we're pretty happy with the service overall. I do have some concerns around the privacy issues that have been in the news lately, and the fact that one of the Amazon employees is saying, shut it down completely. That's a little concerning for me, but overall I'd say it's a great product. You can get it on Black Friday or anytime like Prime Day. You get substantial discounts on this doorbell, and a lot of times you'll find it like packaged with other goods too, and you can get a discount. So I definitely like the Pro version over the standard that has the battery. I've known people that have had that battery version and they're having to recharge it quite a bit. So I think this is a great option. One of my concerns with the Google, they've switched over now. It used to be the Works with Nest program, now it's the Works with Google Assistant. And so they've actually excluded a lot of vendors that previously worked with their products. So now if you're going all in on Google and you have the Nest thermostat and you have some of their other devices, I think that doorbell is going to be a great option. Arlo just announced at CES that their new video doorbell, so I'm anxious to check that out. I think that might be a great option for people. And then we also saw the Remo Plus, and that is a more affordable smart doorbell. I think it's about $89 or $99. Yeah. So a little bit less than half the cost of what I paid for this doorbell. And they include 3 days of rolling cloud storage free of charge. So I think that's pretty nice. So I think we're going to see a lot more options in the video doorbell arena. But these are two great options to start with, and as more products come out, we'll certainly test them and compare them for you guys.
Yep. One quick thing that I absolutely forgot to mention about this and that we love is you can customize your doorbell ringtone. So around the holidays, we put holiday music. So when you ring the doorbell, you can either have, from a variety of different pre-recorded doorbells, which was absolutely awesome. The kids loved that. Same with like the Halloween, they have a little bit more of the creepy kind. But then you can also have pre-recorded messages, and so when someone rings your doorbell, you can automatically have it say, thanks for coming, we're not home, or whatever it is that you would want to say. So that's something that we utilize quite a bit on this, and we absolutely love.
Is the facial recognition working for you?
Yes, it is. We have been able to put our family members and our friends, and so we know when they're at the door, and so we can let them in if we're not home, like if we're running a little bit late, which is a super nice and convenient feature that they have.
Or if I show up, the door's just
locked,
all the lights turn off.
Not home, we're on vacation. Dear. Sorry.
Just go away. You're not welcome here.
It's fun to play with, so we really hope that you enjoyed this and it was beneficial for you.
Take care.